Man, today's gonna be a cold stream. Why? Because my jacket is wet. I left it on the frickin' clothesline yesterday. Good morning anyway, guys. How we doing? Morena. How we doing? Bro, I can feel the cold already, bro. Lord. Morning, guys. Crazy stream title. But it's very accurate, though. I mean, you know, it doesn't get more accurate than actually touching wood. Spot the edgelords in the chat, and the goonas. You know, it doesn't actually get more accurate than touching wood, literally. Let me just see if my vest is in the truck chat. Alright, one moment. Fuck, I might have to double up on hoodies, eh? I ain't gonna lie. Morning there, Orku. Morning, everybody. How we doing? Let me just try and find one more hoodie to put on since my jacket got caught in the rain. Hold on. Oh well, guys, unfortunately for me, don't be wearing a no, unfortunately for me, it's going to be a cold stream today. But well, I'm going to stream anyway. It's going to be a bone-chilling stream for me today. Not ideal, but, you know, it is what it is. You got to get a carving streaming for you guys today. Because, you know, how good the stream's been going. Get a fire behind you? I'll probably get an outdoor heater, but I'm saving for a house with my wife. You're currently saving, so maybe not, Nah, we're not allowed to do that. Council things, my bro. Council things. How cold is it? I have no idea. Brother. Yo, who was that? Thank you very much to Brother Sanders 420 for the Optimus Prime getting us started on Twitch today, my bro. Thank you very much for the Aroha, brother. Yesterday's stream, I still can't believe what happened in yesterday's stream, eh? Actual crazy, bro, that happened. So if you weren't in the stream yesterday, chat, we got a visit from Digi, KSI's brother. And yeah, I was very surprised. It was not on my bingo card that happening yesterday, but yeah, it was truly an honor to have it's truly an honor to you know, have someone of his status in the stream, and yeah, humbling experience. I messaged them yesterday too to say thank you for joining in the stream, and he also gifted 50 subs as well. So yeah, truly you know, another moment I'll you know, treasure for myself. But it was pretty buzzy. It was pretty buzzy. You know, there's just these small W's I take away for myself. Deji is a legend. Yeah, he's a good lad. He's a good lad. Yeah, so definitely, you know, gonna keep that for myself in life. Then we got a visit from Digi as well. Today may be a shorter stream, like 3 hours, not so much 4. Gonna be doing a few things with the baby today. But nonetheless, chat, we will get some Whakairo in today. As you all know, we have started the other side of the hook. So this is what we've done so far. All of that goodness right there. Even on the bottom here. So we've done all that, and now it's time to do the other side. So we're pumping out the other side today, okay? How old is the baby? She's almost 3 months. Almost 3 months now. What's up, once maybe twice? Thank you, brother. Just drop. Yeah, she's almost 3 months now. Trying to sit up. She's a little yapper. But it's you know, those moments early in the morning, when you hear baby you know, having little conversations with herself in her bed. But I live for those kind of moments, Oh yeah, what's up, once maybe twice? Yeah, I live for those moments, especially when you pick up your kids from school, bro, and then you see their smiles on their face. I love them, man. I love those moments. It's always cool. Rainbork, thank you very much for the Optimus Prime, brother. I am Optimus Prime. We are coming. Thank you very, very much, brother. Also, guys, what the hell is TikTok Taco? Feel free to ask me anything. Say hi to TikTok Taco. Oh, it's like AI. Hey bestie, how's it hanging? What's been happening in your world today? Anything exciting or usual just Kiwi vibes? Tell me everything, I'm all ears or eyes, I guess, since we're chatting online. Haha, heart. They've got an AI chat room. I wonder what all the gooners are doing with that. Did you end up listening to... No, I haven't been able to listen to any music yet, my bro. I've just been dadding, really. I've got a sponsored stream coming up soon, so I've been trying to prep for that. Yeah, we got a bit of a sponsored stream coming up on the 21st, chat. So about what, 4 or 5 days from now. Five days from now, Fano, and then we're in it. Beautiful man, cute, that doesn't last long. Yeah, bro, my my big girl's 7 this year, and our other girl. So I'm a girl dad, yeah, and our other girl, she's 5 this year, starting school next year. I just look at them, bro. I'm like, where has the time gone, man? These are little shites that don't like listening. But yeah, bro, that's like something I always do is just look at them and just buzz out at how far they've come. My daughter, our second daughter, so we pretty much so one thing about our middle child, we had a bit of a different approach with her in life because she has cerebral palsy, but it's right on the lighter side of the spectrum, and navigating that myself was real hard because you see all the things about cerebral palsy, and in a sense I felt like it was my fault, and even though it's not something in my family, but pretty much when we went to the doctors and they spoke about it, and they're like, she's like it's there, but it's really, really light. Like it's not gonna hinder her physically, but in a sense, yeah, the doctor pretty much said it's there, and yeah, that was a bit hard for me. That was hard for me to cope with, and even when she had to go for a CAT scan, I couldn't go all the way in. Because the doctor said, do you want to come and see me? Nah, because if I see her sedated with all that shit on her, I'm going to get provoked. And I don't want to do that. Yeah, so I pretty much told the doctors how it was. And but her CAT scan back in the day did go good. Hey, what's up, TikTok? How we doing? DW and Zawarudo, thank you very much. Hey, what up, King Tiger? You're early? Sure. Yeah, so she went in for her CAT scan, and the doctors looked over it. They didn't see anything out of the ordinary. All they kind of did. So she had these white dots on her head, and the doctors were like, what the frick is that? Hey, Morena Bissinu, thank you very much for the aroha. So they couldn't see anything like on the CAT scan, but they saw these white dots on her head. And they went to look at her, she had fucking glitter on her head. And the doctors were saying, yeah, we checked your daughter, and then we looked at her and we just had a little giggle. It was like, kids. Morning everybody, yo, Jack Sponge, thank you very much for the roses, my bro. Hello user, hey bro, how are you doing? Yo, Tech Romancer, thank you very much for your kind comment. Yeah bro, she had glitter on her head from the previous day, and that came up on the CAT scan as like white dots, and they were like, what the hell's going on here? And yeah, they took a closer look, and yeah, she had glitter in her head. So you're doing well. Hey, thank you very much, brother. Are we listening to Skyrim music? Yeah, I normally play game music through the carving streams. More specifically while we're streaming on YouTube as well. So how I'm starting my day is with a coffee. My jacket is unfortunately wet, so it's going to be a cold stream for me today. She's going to be a cold stream for me today. Not from South Africa. This is the third stream I've seen. Hey, what's up, Tia? Hope all is well in South Africa, my bro. How are you doing? I'm doing good. A bit of a... I woke up pretty late, 6:30. Yeah, woke up pretty late, 6:30. Not ideal, but you know. Hey, go birds, no, go birds. Hey, today is going to be a bit of a... So we're only going to go to the 3-hour mark today. Hey, Dragonborn. Thank you very much, Lewis. New Zealand? Correct, my brother. Yeah, so we're just going to go to the 3-hour mark today because I've got a few things to do outside of the stream. Because I've got to look over my contract for the sponsored stream. I think it's next week. Is it Monday, 21st? Thank you very much, Rafa, for the fluffy penguin. What time is it there? It is 9:46 AM. Thieves Guild all the way, bro. My favourite Thieves Guild variation was probably Oblivion's, just because I like the Grey Fox there. I thought he was cool. As ugly as that cowl is, I thought it was absolutely cool. My mage run through on Oblivion was fun, bro. I've never played a mage. I normally play melee classes, but holy, it was fun. Thank you very much, Alex, for the roses, and JMH as well. Where are we? Have you played? Yeah, I played the Oblivion remake. That's like one of my favorite games that I grew up playing. Although, I haven't done the Shea Gorath questline. PC or console? PC. I need to get my PC clean too. Scrum really dropped the ball with Mage, I found. Oh, really? Yeah, I've never... That was like my first time actually trying Mage was in Oblivion. How much can you bench press? Oh, I can't really bench press much these days. I don't powerlift anymore. I stopped powerlifting years ago. I could only do 160 at the time, but that's because, you know, I had a bit more mass. I can just do 100 these days. What's your dream car? Probably an RWB Porsche. I won't lie, I like it. I like them. Or an R35. Yeah, I like yo, Aiden, thank you for the roses, my bro. I like the RWB Porsches, eh? I know a lot of people do not like old mate cutting up Porsches, but I think they look cool. Okay. We'll start soon after my apple. Yo, thank you very much, Stop, for the Mishka beer. Did I say that right? You played DayZ? No, not really. Never played DayZ at all. I know my cousin, you know, swore by playing DayZ, like that was his game, but not me. Yo, Rainey's 24. Thank you for the Optimus Prime, brother. Big ups from England. Hey, how's it going, brother? Hey, Marcus. Yeah, it's me, brother. How you doing? You're 18 now? Congratulations. Happy birthday. Remember watching at 13. But it's crazy that some people used to watch me in school and now they're like adults now. It's crazy work, man. Straight up. Yo, Stop NDP, thank you for the roses. Jeez, a lot of follows, eh? Oi! Thank you very much to Aiden Farts for the Galaxy. Thank you, my brother. Hello. Thank you very much for the aroha, my bro. So today, yeah, we're working on that carving. We're going to continue with this. But we're going to carve the other side today. And depending on how I'm feeling, if I get a bit too cold, then yeah, we might finish. But if it feels all good, then we smash through it. Thank you, brother Aiden. You taking the middle out? Yeah, the middle of that will come out when everything's done. Yeah, I don't want to take it out right now because we lose a lot of strength in the timber if we're going to continue carving it. Real English Rage. What's up, brother? Yo, Frank, thank you for the rose, brother. Jody Conway followed the live creator. Kia ora, Jody. Paddy. Big Mac. Bro, I lost my retainer today. What should I do? I don't know. Brush your teeth and get another one. 15 burpees? Hell no, I'm not doing burpees, man. Not in front of people, anyway. Long time no see. How you doing? Everything good? Sure, brother Leon. Yeah, everything's good, bro. Everything's good. But they too expensive. What's that? What's expensive? Can you fix my jet ski? No. A hair scarring, correct. Oh yeah, this is what we're doing today. Bro, I'm getting cold already. Fuck. No, we will carve today if I'm cold too. How did I feel about WWE pay-per-view? I didn't watch it. I was watching K-dramas. Can I make a bow? Not really, nah. Hey, thank you, brother Aiden. Hey, what's up, Beast on Gaming? Thank you, brother Winston. You gonna watch SBW and Gillen? No, I'm gonna be watching K-dramas. Straight up, not even lying. Okay, let's rock and roll it. The pay-per-view is like $70. Oh, rip off. But I mean, you know, people do pay that, eh? So, all power to them. Thank you, Sam Sarah. Appreciate you. You live by the water or scenery? Nah. Just in the hood. Trying to get out. Or just pirate it anyway, this guy. Alright, hang on, fun. I'll just try and get this in the voice. Oh, it's like the river I've been running. It's been a long... Ah, come on. Brother said the hood, I'm dying. But it's not that funny. What the fuck? Do you play rugby? I used to, brother. Not so much anymore. The only thing physical that I do these days is gym, pretty much. Let's go to the gym, brother. Alright. But I think more so these days is trying to work on fitness. Like, I don't really care too much about anything else, really. Like, the strength is still there, so I can't complain. I'm just glad I can still deadlift 200 kgs. If I didn't, oh, that would be so sad. My city's in a meltdown right now. Degrees Celsius, all hearing the freezing sounds. Something tells me you're in the U. No, you won't be in the. You're either in the UK or America. Okay, let's go. Let's try and get warm. It's been a long... You Aussie? Hell no. Nah, I live next door. Hell no. Thank you, Chris and Ari. I need to get up in 6 hours. Man, you gotta go sleep now, brother. You gotta go sleep now. Bo from Elder Scrolls. Oh, yeah. I don't really carve that kind of stuff, brother. Trying to keep up with everyone in the TikTok chat and the Twitch chat. Oh, in the Middle East. Oh, okay. Cheer, brother Aiden. Thank you, my bro. What you up to today, brother? Oh, you mother shirker. It's coming loose. Working a bit. Oh, yeah. Nice, my bro. Your fan club has completed the first stage of club quests. What is that? Kia ora whare huia. Hei te pēhea koe. Kia ora, brother. How come you use a mallet over a hammer? Wood on wood doesn't break. Wood on steel will probably break the handle more. And plus, you know, my ancestors used mallets, eh? My forefathers used mallets, so I'll use one too. It's kind of like the tools that our people used back in the day. Besides, so the only other resource our people used other than timber was stone, until old Captain Dickhead turned up. And then you know, our people had access to steel chisels, which made the art form more intricate. Made the art form much more intricate over time, pretty much. Oh, you bugger. Can I see the finished product? Well, the other side that's finished right now is that. So it's been fully designed along here with Taratara Hakai. All that here. So once we finish designing the whole thing, then we can cut the middle out. Once we cut the middle out, then yeah, stain them up. I think I want to get some new stains instead of using linseed. Like what's it called? I don't know if it's the right bloody word. Polyureth or something. Yeah, I just know the look of the can. Do you sell these? Yeah, I only have like 3 carvings for sale. I know one of the bros from Twitch really wants to buy one. How long have you been working on this piece, Arian? I honestly don't remember. Me and keeping track of how long it's been is like oil and water. Not compatible. But I do have a commission that I need to work on because it's due in September for my auntie. So you'll most likely see it pop up on stream here and there. You'll see it a few times. I've got to do something called a partiti or a hatchet for birthday. Is that Sky music in the background? Correct, my friend, correct. I love traditional tools and I hate the thought of traditions fading away. Need to be kept alive. Yeah, so the carving school I went to, one of the first things you have to do is actually make your own ads. So we have to go out into the bush, you know, look for a branch that has the correct angle and you know, cut it down. Do our stone as well. So the stone we used back when I was a student was onewa, which is the name of the other stone that was used more commonly than pounamu, greenstone. So they call it grey wacky, which is the other name. But in our native language we call it onewa. And when we had our stone, we had to shape it into the, you know, traditional adze blade form. Now we could either use machines, or majority of the students use machines, but there was an old sandstone there that I wanted to try. And shape my blade using a sandstone like the old days. Took me ages. Like it took me a lot more time than you know, the rest of the students, because you know, it's a sandstone compared to a machine. But it's something I really wanted to do in order to appreciate, you know, the processes my ancestors went through. Just to, you know, appreciate the level of grind they went through. And yeah, I finished it and it was nice and sharp and I passed. But I got the respect of, you know, the master carver as well for doing that. So yeah, it started off as a flat stone. By the time I was done with it, there was like a slight groove in the sandstone as well. But I loved every moment of it, eh? Yo, Jordan Bass, thank you for subbing to the TikTok channel, my bro. Thank you, brother Jordan. I just saw that. I appreciate the aroha, my bro. Thank you, brother. That's pretty hardcore. Oh, bro, it took me ages, bro, but yeah, I loved it, eh? Call me old-fashioned, but I really appreciate the old ways. What's the sponsored stream looking like? I'm gonna be streaming, WoW. It's a WoW sponsored stream on the 21st. 2-hour segment, but I'm genuinely excited because it's one of my, you know, it's a game that I enjoy. Thank you very much for the gifties, guys. Put it in my calendar. Yeah, true, my bro. El Diablito, thank you very much for the cat. What kind of stone did you use for the blade? Grey Wacky. Grey Wacky Riverstone's the name of it. It's inside somewhere. It's amongst all my, you know, stuff. I just don't know where though. Yeah, it's inside somewhere, I just can't remember. I'll probably just have to look through all my things and it'll pop up. Thank you very much, JKV, Naz, and Sizzymon.
Snare drum 182 cheered Dex 5.
Thank you very much, brother Snare. Some of those made with obsidian. Yeah, obsidian was another stone that was used, but obviously, you know, more for cutting, as a cutting tool. Because of the sharp edge it can hold when you break it. Another stone too that was used was jasper. More for like drilling holes. Jasper was another one. I'm just trying to think of the other stones that we used. There's been so many, I just noticed the classic SA. What's up, Woodsy? Millennial. Hey, brother Jordan, thank you very much for the rose, my bro. May you be blessed with many moons and suns on this planet. Oh, brother, I hope, you know, for us all, eh? I hope we can see a lot of moon and sun cycles in life without, you know, the drama of the world, brother. Joe and MJ, thank you very much for the aroha. Brother MJ again. Sorry, Joe, I'm just marking these out. And then we can do them. Marching in any doom, young, ni sing nang. Sana kupara bota, ni sing nang. Doro guna marito, aluga iluga. Joka aluga no marito, ni sing nang. If we all had this outlook on life, yeah, bro, you know, the formula to the world being better, everyone just has to stop being assholes. That's all it is. It's that simple, but, you know, people get a kick out of being an asshole in the world, so, you know, it's going to be hard to kick, in my opinion. Yeah. It's not something that's easily, you know, stopped, if that makes sense. Who's your favourite F1 driver? I don't really watch it, brother. Sorry. Where you from, brother? I'm from Aotearoa, New Zealand, my bro. Where's better to watch you? Which gives you better benefits? Oh. Well, it's up to you, really. I'm on 4 different platforms. So, I'm just trying to cater to everyone that follows all the platforms with you know, streams. It's, you know, whatever platform you call home, watch there. All good. I'm trying to get a stream key for Twitter chat. Try and get all the, you know, try and get all the porno bots involved, eh? There's goddamn porno bots on Twitter chat. Click on my link in my bio. 100% human being, real. Would you ever do GTA RP? You wouldn't believe it, but I've been doing RP for about 4 years now. Yeah, bro, it's crazy how the porno bots on their frickin' platform are going, eh? Normally when I get bots message me, I know my number one message I always send is, how does this affect the Horde's legacy? You don't know who the Horde is, chat. It's a faction on World of Warcraft. Just something random. Hey, what's up, brother Admiral? Nice to see you, my brother. I follow on 3 out of 4. Hey, appreciate that, brother Sanders. Much love, brother. You're one of the good ones. Hey, brother, you know, it's better to eat a good egg than a rotten one, my bro. You know why? That's That's a deluxe cruise down Schitt's Creek. That's why. We don't want that. I mean, people watch TikTok on the toilet, so maybe, you know, there are solutions. But yeah, not for me, not for me. Can we play RP together? That's metagaming, sir. I don't like metagaming. If you're in Prodigy or NoPixel, and you come across my character, maybe. I don't really play on frag servers or public servers. Well, not servers that have that, you know, that confetti headshot add-on. Bro, did you trim your hair? No, just the sideburns. I don't really get lined up because waste the money and I don't go anywhere other than the gym. My last, you know, my last proper haircut was 2014. Thor, he's been doing it again. Thor, chisel and mallet for the hairline is crazy. Oh, cheers, brother Sanders. Yeah, so we're live on Twitch, TikTok, YouTube, and Kick. So those are the platforms that I've been live streaming on. But I might try and get my hands on a stream key for Twitter. I have no idea how to do that, but I'll try and figure it out. If you have to have verification on Twitter, then probably not. How's the whānau anyway, Brox? They're good, my bro. They've been good, like really good. My big girls though, oh man, they like fighting. Man had to have a bit of a stern talk with them yesterday. But hey, that's my job as a father. Hey, my favorite streamers online. Hey, what's up, brother Dave? How are you, brother? Big love from Dubai. Hey, what's the time in Dubai? Thank you for the roses, bouquet emoji. How old are you? Because you're not an unk. I'm 33, turning 34, so I'm in early stages of unkhood. I just, yeah, skincare, that's all. Joseph and bouquet emoji, thank you very much. Hello from Liverpool. Hello, Ireland. Reaching unk status. Hope you're enjoying life to the max. Yeah, I tried to, my brother. I tried to. Are you the $5 guy? Yes. How are you? Yeah, I've been getting into skincare again, chat, because of my girls. They're big on it, and just they make me do it too, so I just said, screw it, I'm gonna give me some. Let's run it. Yeah, shampoo as well. Oh man, I wash my hair like 3 times a week. Hello from the Netherlands. Hey brother. Thank you very much, Joseph, for the roses. Hello from Washington. Hey, what's up, my brother? Yeah, chat. I only wash my hair 3 times a week. If you wash it every day, you take, or like with shampoo and whatnot, you take out the natural oils in your scalp. And I don't want that. Thank you very much, Brother David, for the Optimus Prime, my bro. Oh, cheers, Masquerade. Masquerade? Did I say that right? Hello from Manchester. All the way from Manchester. Hey, I know you EU lot. Just gonna say it. EU. I know it's getting late, eh? Just know. When you get tired, just go to bed, eh? Go to bed, fam. There's always gonna be another stream in it. Hello from Portugal. So, thank you, Brother David and Brother Chris, for the 39 months. Kia ora, my bro. Kia ora, my brother. I hope you're doing well today too. Bro, I still can't find that potato filter. It's probably the one filter. If I was to ever have a V-tube model, if I didn't have a V-tuber model for the days that I don't brush my hair, probably be that potato filter. They're calling you Matua Kike these days. Hey. Huge storm. Oh, geez, my bro. Look after yourself, brother, and I hope it, doesn't cause too much grief for you, my bro. On his grind, chair, my bro. He's on Twitch, YouTube, and TikTok. Yeah, sorry, brother. Yeah, what the brother said. So, what's up, Sir Edward Teach? Hey, bit of a Blackbeard fan, eh? I see you, brother. How good has One Piece been, eh? If you read it. Whew. Brother, we eating good, man. Rox, would you ever consider making a commission piece? This is one of them. I'm doing one right now. Past midnight. Sadly, I became 41 now. Oi, happy birthday, my bro. 41. You know what that means, eh? That's a late night walk to the fridge, my bro. I tend to do this sometimes if I'm feeling a bit pickish shit. Like last night. Bro, I was keen for cereal for dinner. I was like, hit me with that granola, man. I turn 31 tomorrow. Hey, Ryan, cheer my brother. What's the most difficult carving you've done? I did this thing called a kumete. Main reason why it was so difficult, I was a student at the time, and our tutor at the time as well, was going through some things in life, and so he didn't really want to teach, which is okay, shit happens. But I may be old now, but I'm just as stubborn as I was back then. I didn't want to give up. I didn't want to fold and like get a teacher. I wanted to try and do it on my own. Probably not the best thing to do as a student. But yeah, I got it done. It took me 4 months, though. Just trying to smash it out. but it ended up selling. So when I was in the carving school, everything you carve within the school stays with the school and is sold to get funds for said school. What's up with the Ned on YouTube? And I remember that day very clearly too. The guy that was buying it was this old guy. It was this old American guy. Because I was in the gallery at the time just taking photos of it because they had just put it on display. Thank you very much. I blame Acne for the rose, my bro. So they had just put it on display to be sold. And caught the attention of this old guy. Well, who wants to guess how much the carving cost? And I'll say higher or lower. Okay. Minigame chat, try and guess how much this carving I did cost. Ah, these are like low airs. 20k? Nope. Close though. 6k? No. 40k? No, too high. Someone's gonna get it. 24k? Oh, someone's hot. Someone's hot. 32, too high. 25, slightly warmish. 32, no. 1500. 25k. Hold on. I think someone got it. Sam Maher got it. So it sold for $22,000. A date with Mama K. Yeah, so they priced it and it sold for 22 grand. And the guy said, "I'll buy it now." I was like, "Oh, money bags." So yeah, he pretty much bought it without hesitation. And the guy basically said, "Oh, can I meet the carver that did it?" And my auntie was on the counter at the time. And she goes, "Oh, it's your lucky day because he's hiding behind that cabinet." Keep in mind, I didn't, the money didn't go to me, it went to the school. So this carving school I went to, so they teach you and pay you to learn. The only thing is everything you carve within the school stays with the school to help fund the school pretty much. Because it's like 50 plus years worth of knowledge, yeah. So that's the reason why, that's the other thing about the carving school. So yeah, it sold and then the guy saw me and I was like, "Oh, shame." And I was like, "Fucking auntie." And he walked up to me and he just shook my hand and went, "I really appreciate the work that you've done." And I went, oh, it's all good." And he goes, "How long did it take you?" I said, "Oh, it took me around about 4 months. The reason why it took so long is because I had no teacher." And he goes, hold on, no teacher?" I went, "Oh, I'm a student." And he had like this big WTF look on his face. So, "No, anyway, enjoy your carving and I hope you cherish it forever. And yeah, thank you very much for buying it." And then that's pretty much when I said, "Oh, it's the first time I'll be in America for a carving." And yeah, he was buzzing, but genuinely, what sold it for me was the look on his face, how much he appreciated the work. And it's like seeing a kid go into the shop looking for some lollies. That's the kind of look he had on his face when he saw it. I was like, "Oh, sure." Because the way I do it, I just like to chill in the background and just appreciate everyone's reactions. Like when we graduated, we had a big like gallery opening just to celebrate all the students' work. And yeah, pretty much like all the other students were up there. "Oh yeah, I carved this. I just stood at the back in the back of the room and just watched everyone. That's just how I roll. And yeah, it was cool. It was cool, Les. I wish I was a teacher at times. Oh, chill, my bro. Official opinion on Bush's baked beans. Oh, I haven't had baked beans in years, but hey, put some cheese on it on a toast. I'm in there. Cherry brother, just tell you, my bro. Help this man submit his wedding ring commission request. How can someone put in a commission piece? I'd love for you to make the box for our wedding rings. Ooh, at the moment, yeah, I'm pretty full on. Shit. Let me try and find some timber to do it. But email me so I got your email and I'll keep you in the loop to see what we can do. How many times a day do people ask if you're the donation guy? Oh, more than 10. And I'm going to answer probably more than 20 times. I don't know. Finally found you. Saw so much content about you. Love your crafts. They're amazing. Keep it up. Thank you, Cuddle Bunny. Thank you. From years ago, God bless your soul. Hey, what's up, Adrian? Appreciate you, brother. All goods, my bro. I'm free man for a week, so we can do it. Yeah, my bro. We'll try and work out a day. So, maybe on the weekend. I could maybe try during the week, but I'll talk with my household. See if they can fag off to their aunties for the day. What religion do you believe in? I only believe in the gods of my own people. I don't really follow, you know, faiths that were brought here by other races, you know. I kind of just believe in my people's own gods, brother. So we have many gods in my culture. God of war, Tuma Toinga, Tane Mahuta, the god of the forest and all its living things. The god that created the first human, who was in fact the female. Sorry to the pro males out there. Fiddle, the god of negativity, and that's kind of how I see it, you know. When I'm angry, that's Tuma Toinga coming out of me. When I'm, you know, being the responsible elder / third youngest cousin of all my cousins, but being the responsible one, that's Tane Mahuta channeling through my body and leading my cousins to better versions of themselves, I hope. Yo, Jake, thank you very much for the 30 roses, my bro. So even now as I'm carving, I guess one god that, you know, is channeling through me right now is Tangaroa. If you don't know who Tangaroa is, he's the god of the sea. But he's also the god of Whakairo, Maori wood carving. So those are like, you know, who influence me from my day to day. Pretty much. Why do you think I like being by the sea all the time, chat? So it's kind of, you know, looking at it from their perspective. This guy's low-key on par with Outdoor Boys. Oh, I missed that channel. I still rewatch all the videos that I've already watched more than 5 times. I missed it, man. That was my go-to YouTube channel to watch on the weekends. Main reason why I loved it so much, because it reminded me of living at home, where I'm from. Swaydo, thank you very much for the Optimus Prime, my brother. I've been following for 5 years. Has it been that long? Yeah, we celebrated our 5-year anniversary on streaming this week. The weekend is perfect for me. Yeah, my bro. I'll sort it out with my household and then we can run it. Reminds me of Luke. Is that the name of Outdoor Dad? I actually don't even know his proper name. Yeah, bro. I was genuinely sad that he announced that it's he was stepping away from it, but understandable too. Gotta love the honey butter, man. You're a good man. I tried to be, brother, but you know, I always say this, I'm not perfect. I never, you know, I'll never be a perfect human being, I'm just me. Drop off the wife at the airport and she's off to Aitutaki for fam. Oh, your wife, I thought you meant. Hey, drop my one off. I want to go to Aitutaki. Thank you very much, Enzo. What's up, my brother? Hello. Yo, I used to watch a while ago. Glad to see you still streaming. I appreciate you, my brother. Yo, nobody said you're perfect. Gosh, Ingo much. You're a good man, Arthur Morgan. Yeah, I'm alright. I think I need to do another playthrough, bro. I was thinking about the ending of Red Dead Redemption last night while I was eating my venison sausages. I ain't even lying, bro. I was eating my venison sausages. The good ending of Red Dead Redemption. Puts it in the bread. What you doing with it after it's finished? Sending it away, brother. Sending it away. What is this you're carving? It's a heimato or fish hook. It's always great to come back to earlier. Yes, my bro. Nah, I think I need to do it, eh? Just tell my wife, hey, you should go to your mum's for the weekend. Your mum and dad's, I think they miss you. Then I'll jump on stream. Some no fear, right, Dutch. I have a so to those that don't know, some of the cast actually reached out to me back in the earlier days of me streaming, and because they knew, yo, Camfield and friends, thank you very much, and Buzzy B as well, I see you. Yeah, they reached out to me. I know which follower did it too. He recently turned up again and he's gone again. I think he's been the longest tier 3 of this channel. But yeah, the first one was Rob Weedoff, and then eventually it was Roger Clark, then BDD. I should actually upload all of them to my Instagram, eh? I should actually do that. Also, just a little insight too, Roger Clark is actually starting to stream as well. You ever played Dying Light? No, my bro, no. Chance you carve boxes for ashes. I've never done one before, my bro. Yeah. Hey, what up, brother Fat Man? How was your doctor's visit, my bro? You okay? How do you say you're beautiful in your native tongue? Atahua, pretty much, means beautiful. So, toa atahua hoki. So I could say, oh, toa atahua hoki, my love, and she'll probably say, oh, shut up. Or she'll probably say, oh, what do you want? Dying Light, that's that one when you chase people around and you like hang them up on hooks, eh? Is that it? Gets even better at the ending of RDR2 and you just leave Micah in jail. Oh man, talking about Red Dead Redemption's giving me the unscratchable itch. See what I'm about to do right now is play music from the game. Those goddamn O'Driscolls. Oh, we can't play this song, that's the MCA. Stop.
You really think you can get me Whittling down chocolate.
Ads. Come on, bro.
Won't it taste better?
Ooh, butter. Yeah, I used to play Red Dead Redemption RP as well. My character's name was Tommy Tim Tam. He was a sheriff. Downloaders are parkour. Yeah, and you gotta turn those like generators on, eh? That's it, eh? You sir are the definition of chill. Why, thank you very much, dear viewer. Those goddamn bastards. Yeah, I miss Red Dead Redemption RP a little bit. Saw you on Twitter. Hey, Jerry. House building song goes hard. It always does, eh, my bro? Toi ngaro ngaro, tēnā koe mo tērā. Chunk as well. Let me have a roll and a saw in the morning. How could it? I'll climb up a ladder with a hammer and a nail. I'll nail it. Oh, we worked so hard to build a little house together. On a soul in a race and the ice will win whenever. No matter what the weather, we're together. Do 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 do. Where are we? Etienne, did I say your name right? Etienne. I probably said it wrong. Sorry if I did, brother. Watching your stream makes me miss Whakairo. Oh, kai hea koe e noho ana now. Damn, I wish I was as good at as an artist as you. What's stopping you? All you have to do is start. Then after that, all you have to do is keep going. And you will be. That's how simple it is. You can do it. I believe in you. So my challenge to you is, hurry up and start. That's my challenge to anyone. Hurry up and start. Nothing's holding you back other than you. Look in the mirror and just say, you goddamn bastard. And go and do it. Just go and do it, man. I don't know, man. I think art is one of those talents that you have to be born with. I wasn't born with Whakairo. Tell you what I was born with, though. I don't even know where I was going with that. Never mind. Yeah, Picasso didn't become an amazing painter overnight. He refined his skills, eh? It's just like a rock, eh? Like I always say, you know, you throw a rough stone in the river, over time it becomes more refined, it loses those edges. It refines those edges and becomes more round. In a sense, you're that stone too. And whatever it is that you want to pursue. Or in a sense, you know, a fire can't grow if it's not, you know, stoked. Andre Vidal, thank you very much for the aroha, brother. I gotta ask, are you Maori? I am Tūhoi first, then I'm Maori. Don't know what that is, but it looks cool. It's a hook, brother. So this section here will get cut out towards the end. Chase ZZ, thank you very much for the roses too. A sausage with meatballs between your legs, you go. I'll show myself the door. This guy's hungry. I'll show myself the door. Ain't nothing wrong with a little bit of degeneracy in the chat for the laughs. Just don't take it too far. That's when you start. That's that shadowy place over there, Simba. We never go there. That's beyond our borders. Alright, my bro. Thunder, I need an update on the Blackbeard or Rockstee's a big rabbit hole events. How's that been going? Yo, Brooks, I was active in your Twitch right before your wedding. You look good. Oh, thank you, brother. Yeah, no white hair, so no white hair on my noggin so far, my bro, so I can't complain. Can't complain, my bro. Had another baby and yeah, it's been good. Genuinely enjoying it, as I always do. You see, I Show Speed is back on Twitch. Yeah, he's been back for about a week now. I swear, bro, I'll be honest, for me, like, he's probably one of my favorite big streamers to watch, him and Queso. Speed's at that point where he's his own, you know, discoverability system. In my opinion. He's that much of a megastar now that I feel like that's where he's at in terms of like levels. And you know, can't help but be happy for him, man. From where he started. But yeah, I like watching Queso as well. He's funny. From a long dark night, you're an angel. You're good though, David. How you doing in life now, my brother? Have you ever thought of getting a moko? Believe it or not, I've got one. Yeah, I need to get an add-on though. It goes right up my arm. Bro, the rabbit hole has turned into a dragon. Even Luffy's dead. I don't like when Speed harasses people, or like when he starts barking. I feel like he hasn't done that lately. Or I've missed it, maybe. I think the weird stuff is when, you know, people are trying to find his stream just to be racist. It's crazy. Like there was a little shit here when he came to Rotorua. That was making monkey sounds at him. And then he stopped it and went, oh, if that was my kid, I would have booted his ass. Ain't no way you're gonna do that shit, mate. Oh yeah, that was a bit annoying to see. Cheeky little shites these days, chat, I'll tell you. Hey, appreciate you, brother David. Hey, you just know that, you know, I hope you're okay. And like I always say to anyone that watches any of the streams on all the platforms that we're live on, if you're ever in need of, you know, just talking, feel free to do so. Feel free to do so. Especially here. This is your fella's cheeky corner of the internet where you can, you know, feel comfortable and safe to open up. If people try and be cheeky and belittle people for trying to open up. They won't last long here. I'll ban them myself. My kill count or my ban count is at like probably 25 so far. Me and the mods try and stream snipe bans for scores. Hey, appreciate you, brother. Dougal, all the way in Brisbane. Brisbane. How are you, my bro? Yeah, I remember when seeing Speed do that. I feel like since then he's kind of moved away from doing that. Right. Hey, what's up, N? It's been 168 years since my last ban. 2010, just first time online gaming. Audio 1 bounty was going. I aimed a few feet up front. So it's great watching you. Keep it up, Docs. Hey, appreciate you, Dogo. Thank you, my brother. What's up, Lewis? How you? How you been, brother Zay? I'm doing good as well, my bro. Ennis, all the way from England. Thank you very much for the rose. Can you carve a skateboard? No. Speaking of skateboards, though, is that Tony Hawk's out? I remember back in the day spamming Tony Hawk's sales. Rodney Mullen and Chad Musker fan. Thank you, brother cool guy, for the Optimus Prime. Oh, for gifting a tier 1, sorry. Thank you, brother. If you do get a gifted sub here, please make sure you give the bros a thank you. Or glaze them harder than a Krispy Kreme donut. Hey, what's up, Thunder NZ? Long time no see, brother. Can't stay but love your... Hey, that is totally fine, you know? But you make sure you have a good day. Or good evening. Look after yourself, eh? If it is silly o'clock in your country, go to sleep, bro. Oh, jeez. Hold up. So I'm just getting everything, prepping everything here before we start adding the notches in. Good afternoon, you beautiful bearded. What's up, brother Orphan? Yo, brother Ninja, how are you, my bro? Any updates? I miss watching you, man. I hope life's been good. Hey, life's been lifing, my brother. Can't complain. Just been business as usual, my bro. Making sure I try and get streams in for everyone. And trying new things this year, brother. Trying new things. It's been hard, I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, there's a few things I wanna start doing with the YouTube as well. I've been trying to work out when I can do these videos when I have free time, which is hardly ever. But we'll make it work somehow. Yo, right back at you, brother Yoshi999. Gotta show a pic of that. Nah, I'm good. Hey, what's up, brother Grizzly? You inspired me to become a carpenter. Hey, W, my bro. How's it been, brother? How's it been? You been enjoying yourself? I hope you've been weighing your health and safety more than me. Straight up. Damn, we run out of water too, Chip. Jumping back and becoming good at carving for someone just starting to carve. Where would you recommend someone starting? Like What are 1 to 3 things someone should carve first? Depending on what you're carving, what you want to carve, I'd say the best place to start off, not so much something in particular, is starting off with simplicity. You know, something simple. Don't try and go to level 8 straight away or level 10. So the main thing why I'd say start off with something simple is to get comfortable with your tools. You know, understanding the grain of the timber and which way to carve. But most of all, just having fun with it, brother. That's the main things for me. Something simple, my bro. In terms of like something complicated that I want to carve, I'd like to try and carve Rose, kia ora, and Cedric Diggory. So brother J-Rock, thank you my brother. Hope you're looking after yourself my bro. Te Aue, thank you for the rose. Cedric Diggory. Morning, my brother. How's your day been? Pretty solid so far, brother Fletch. Pretty solid so far. What in the loading emoji is that? On YouTube, my bro. Okay, we've done this section here. So we'll do this side now. So all we're doing really is prepping for all our notches that we're going to do. Also chat, our Lord of the Rings books still have not been sent out. If you don't know what I'm talking about, we did a... One moment. I did a nanathon or a subathon for my grandmother's headstone last month. One of our sub goals is I have to read the entire Lord of the Rings series to the stream. Stream's been wanting me to read a book to them for a while, and I did mention that we ordered the Lord of the Rings series, so that should be hopefully starting soon when they deliver the series or the books. Keep in mind I don't read much, so there may be complications with words, especially the big ones. Especially the big ones. Thank you, brother Aaron Smith, for the rose, my brother. So it does come with the Hobbit. I don't know if people want me to start with the Hobbit or just go, you know, straight into Lord of the Rings. But we'll see when they get here. It should be good. Shall give you wisdom. Cheers, Salsa Locks. Cheers, my brother. Appreciate you. Where are we? Here. Just gonna feel where the grain is here. I think I might be going against it. I hold it down for the road to bang bang. I hold it down for the road to bang bang. These other guys all do the same thing. What are your thoughts on getting so much love after telling people not to gift? It was definitely stressful at the start because I was never used to that kind of attention. I never am really, brother. like seeing the reaction, you know, just from, I don't know, being myself was surprising. I won't lie, especially on Twitch with how it can be at times. It's truly a bloody humbling experience, that's for sure, brother. But I always told everyone, you know, I don't really plan on changing who I am, just my undies. No, I don't wear undies, but you know, jockeys. It will always how do I say this? I'm trying to figure out how to say this. I guess it will always be humbling knowing that that happened in life, you know? When I never really expected it to happen. Well, I never really expect much to happen, really, like that. Yo, Star, hello. Thank you for the roses. Morning there, Vic. How are you, brother? Finland did Hobbit movie before Peter Jackson back in... Oh, really? I won't lie, I really enjoyed the Hobbit movies as well. Yeah, well, I didn't really, it wasn't really gonna change me anyway, with the way I live my life. I always knew, you know, I was still gonna live the same way. I don't really care about, you know, trying to live a lavish lifestyle or try and be cooler than someone else. I'm just trying to be cooler than the version I was yesterday. Or better, I should say. That's the only person I'm trying to compete with. Bam, bam, bam. So what I want to do better than I was yesterday is not leave my jacket outside to get rained on, thus freezing my ass off the next day, aka now. Pretty much. It's like, fuck, gonna get cold. Why am I hearing some Red Dead Redemption? Well, that's because we're playing the goddamn Red Dead Redemption OST, goddammit. Yeah, just playing some game music for background ambiance. My sister worked for Weta Workshop. She did clothes. Oh, did she? Yo, that's cool. I did a collab with some people that used to work at Weta. They search them up on Instagram. They're called NZ Caps. We did a little bit of a collab there as well. We did a Whakairo keycap. We did a little Whakairo keycap thing, and oh, bro, it was buzzy. But the work they produce, man, is crazy good. They did some Marvel keycaps back when we first done the collab. I think the latest one they did were Doom ones. For Doom the Dark Ages. Definitely recommend going to check their work out on Instagram. I like those mini epics that they made too. I think those are cool. Like the amount of detail that goes into them too, along with, you know, the other stuff they make. Like the Titus statue as well. I just appreciate all the detail that they go through. Ooh, there's a cold breeze. Have you seen the bro Moa toys? Yeah, I think I've seen his TikToks with the Waka toy and all that. Yeah, what's up, watch dealer? Thank you very much, Mags, for the rose as well on TikTok as well. Thank you very much for the 80,000 likes on TikTok too. Where are we? Bro, when I was younger, I thought she was lying. Then I saw her name in the credits. Oh, that's cool, bro. Bro, that's on. W sister. W sister made it in the Lord of the Rings. Damn, that's a flex, my bro. My sibling was in the Lord of the Rings credit, bro. I would ride that wave all the way to Hawaii. I'd claim, you know, hey, there's my surname in the credits. That's cool, brother. Yeah, the three, yeah. I thought I saw that before. Hey, what's up, Digital Rabbit? Was the whole Lord of the Rings filmed in New Zealand? Yeah, I believe so. Yeah, like all the mountain, all the outside stuff anyway. What's up, Multi? A ton of army uncles are too.
Digital Rabbit official cheered Dex 10.
Oh yeah, they even got like tourists to be some of the orcs in the movie sets too. I remember watching the making of one. These two tourists from Switzerland. They were Urukai orcs in Helm's Deep. Bro, that's cool. Imagine that, you're on holiday and then someone asks, oh, do you want to be extras for Lord of the Rings? That was gangster. That's definitely, you know, a core memory on a trip, I would say. We can love the summer if we work it out. One moment, chat. Whew. Where are we? Thank you, Digital Rabbit, for the biddies. All the way to Hawaii. 100%, brother. First time someone... Bro, how do people get your name wrong? Come on now. I'm no gambler. I'm no gambler, but even I know that says multi. Thank you very much, Benna, for the rose as well. No matter what the weather, we're together. One there. Yeah, we're smashing it. Actuals. One of my mates from primary school had a proper spear from Return of the King and we were playing in the yard with it and snapped it. Holy shit. Yo, what's up, caveman? I'm doing good, brother. How are you? I think we should have a break soon. Thank you, Morgani, and for the roses, and Hannes for the cats. How long have we been live on Twitch for? Pencil. Got any tattoo ideas? I want inspiration. Okay. What if you got a sushi roll kit? No, I don't know. What's your favorite food? Because I know birria tacos is one of your favorites. Eh? That's why you got it. Or sushi roll cat. No, like a cat. Like a sushi roll with a cat face on the end. I don't know. I'm still trying to get I don't know if I get a tattoo. Like, I'll probably get something outside of moko in terms of like a tattoo. But the thing is, I don't know. What's up, brother Aaron? How are you? We're just having a break. Just having a break from the carving. We are making a lot of good progress, which is good. Anything that would be meaningful or beautiful from your culture? Oh man, yeah, it's pretty much just comes down to what you'd want. Like how I explained my arm and what it means. The tāmoko artist normally just goes off that. Like my cousin Te Wehi, I pretty much told him what I wanted and he goes, okay, let's go. And he just worked out the flow on my arm. Wishing a gajillion dollars again, Unc, you deserve it. Cheers, brother, why? Imagine being that, eh? My kid goes, is there a krillionaire, chat? Oh, is there a krillionaire, Dad? I was like, oh, no, I don't know. Unless there's, but my smart ass said, oh, probably the ocean. She was like, oh. There's lots of krill in the ocean. El Mango Loco, how you, brother? El Mango Loco, how you, brother? Okay, so something that would be like tied to love and patience. Ooh. Yeah, that's definitely something that you'd have to talk to a moko artist about. Like in terms of the flow. All the way from Northern Ireland. Hey, how are you doing, my bro? Yo, Tommy, thank you for the rose, my bro. Best advice for living a happy life, brother. Oh, it all starts off with ourselves, my bro. We all gotta work on ourselves in order to have a happy life, eh? That's where it all starts, my bro. Not so much with what we do, but how we live our lives, you know? Thank you very much, Nick Kaiser, for the $100 comment. I think it's just something TikTok viewers do just to make them think they're donating. What's the time for you? It is currently 11:09 AM. One of my favorite tattooists, he's from here. Not from Rotorua exactly. But he stays up in Auckland. His name's Semyon. He's a Russian dude. Bro, his work is immaculate. Notice me, please. You have been noticed. How you doing? Yo, brother Rage. Thank you for the 27 months, my bro. Been a while. Hope you've been good, brother. What's the bug on the lens? Wait, is there a bug on the lens? Why are you talking about me? Oh, it was an ant. Sorry. Oh, where did it go? Oh, I dropped it. Oops. Yeah, it was an ant. Best advice for avoiding unhappiness? Well, if it doesn't feel right, then don't do it. Or better yet, focus on your own happiness first, you know? I have a good eye. Sorry, brother Rage. I've been busy working. What is going on with our chat right now? It just went backwards. Hold up. Oh, there. I've been busy working and gym been good. Oh, W Mans, my bro. Yo, Fido, thank you very much for the Optimus Prime 2. What are you working on? We're working with Tōtara, which is a native red pine. Probably one of the softest timbers we have that grows here in Aotearoa as well. Love from Arizona, hey brother. I've not seen you on the feed for a hot minute. What's up, MD? Nice to meet you once again, brother. What's up, Froggy Thoughts? Where are we? My brother told me he wants a lion tattoo with names of his 2 sons. Oh, nice. Yeah, I think if I was to get lions, it'll probably be 3... Oh, frick. Yeah, 3... Wait. 4 female lions. So my wife and my 3 daughters. But, I don't know off the top of my head. Probably... Who would I get? What would I get? So I'd keep this arm, you know, this side for moko. Probably use this arm for something else. I'd like to get a tattoo from Watatau, though. May have made a mistake messaging a girl I haven't spoken to in a long time. Hey, was this at 1 AM, eh? Were you stagging out? Were you like this here? Must have been 1 AM and the bro was like this. This guy was definitely stagged out, bro. No. Ninja, we've all been there. Wouldn't know. I wouldn't know. I wouldn't know what that feels like. No. It's midnight, so not yet. Okay, so it's got a bit of leeway there. Nah, sorry, my bro. You know I'm a cheeky shit. Hey, Melanishu? Yeah, it's me. How are you? Those keen ones, eh? Those up to at 3 AM in the morning. We've all been there. I may have sent a couple texts like that in my younger years. You awake? What you doing? Hey, Bryce. You never know, some of the sisters watching may have done it too. You never know. Thank you, L Dog. Thank you, brother. Clume's laughing because, you know, Clume's been there, that's why. Gotta head out of my room. I'm trying to... Wait, McRib. Wait, is that a new Macca's thing? No, stay away from evil. Stay away from the McRib, that's evil. Been subscribed since you had Jacinda on, and somehow I am only now catching you live. Hey, what's up, new name? All good, brother. All good. You're here now. How you doing? Gonna head out? Oh, yeah, bro. I remember doing those. I remember one night I snuck out and went to go and see someone, and then I was actually walking home. I think it was 2 AM in the morning, and yeah, I was walking home, and it just so happened to be the woman that I'm with now. It was after a powerlifting competition chat. I was, you know, my body was overs, but your boy was keen. Then we watched movies and I fell asleep. But the mistake I made that night, I left my shoes that my grandmother bought me out on the doorstep. And they got doorstepped, and I couldn't chase them because I had finished the powerlifting comp that day. So I was like, 07 shoes. 07. Have a good one. It was not my greatest moment. Yo, L Dog, thank you very much for the flaming hearts, my bro. Thank you. Fantasy League, what is that? Sorry, it's just random pop-ups on TikTok screen. I don't even know what this is. Anyway. Hope you're having a good day. Yo, swooped up you too, brother. I shit myself. I saw you running after me. I've been done dirty. Bro, you know I'm gonna be cheeky if you're doing Texas like that, my bro. Yeah. Oh man, that was not a great time, I tell you. Bro, I only had those shoes for like a week. And my nan got them for me. And I ended up walking home at 4 in the morning in socks. And it was a rainy night too. It was great. those you up Texas be going crazy. Yeah. See, this is all the information, you know, that I'm going to use to educate my kids when they're older. Say me, you think I don't know what you're doing? I've been there. That's what the younger generation don't know, eh? They thought they made these tricks up, bro. They've been around even since before us. Was your nan mad? No, she was just... I just bullshitted and said I went for a morning run. I think that's when a slight hint of dementia was kicking in. Because I jumped through the window and my nan comes out with the lighter. Who's that? Because she's a smoker. She just come out, who's that? Said, oh, it's me, Nan. Said, who's me, Nan? I was like, for fuck's sake, it's me. She goes, what are you doing? Said, oh, I just went for a run, but I forgot my front door key. She goes, oh, okay, I'm going back to bed. Speech 1000, chat. Speech 1000. Who's me then? I was like, yeah, bloody old coot. The worst part was that we got talking during lockdown, so you know, this was the crazy time of online stuff. Yeah, this guy. Sneak 1000. I was the grey fox that night, chat. Yeah, bro, she had one of those old school lighters and like the flame was like that. I was like, bro, you're gonna singe your hair. Never switch up, never will, brother. Yeah, it was one of those lighters and you could adjust the flame, and she was always that lady that put it on full when the flame was like that. So I was like, holy hell, anyone would think she's the bloody Starks in the tomb with the torch. And then yeah, I went to bed that night. Oh, that morning, I should say. That morning. Just having a laugh. You're all good, brother. The type of lighter that could light the beacons of Gondor. Fly, you fools. Are you still woodworking? Yeah, brother, just having a break. I normally have yap breaks or, you know, Q&A breaks while we carve as well. Kia ora from Parliament. Someone's trying to be David Seymour. Now you know this ain't gonna be David Seymour. There's no way in hell he would say kia ora. He would say, oh, hi. Hey, W-man's for, you know, being David Seymour, bro. That's crazy. I respect the grind. I respect the grind. We're reaching out for your channels team. TikTok Live is great. Oh my gosh. Yo, David Seymour, can I get a bit of a sucker to my tete? Yo, Fluff, what's up, man? Bulavanaka, please encourage viewers to back the... Oh my gosh. Oh, this is actually funny, I ain't gonna lie. What you need to do is back it up and work on your twerking technique, David. Because boy, oh boy, when you did it in Dancing with the Stars, it was piss poor. You need to work on your arch. He will say g'day, mate. Yeah, your twerking technique is a bit poor, so you need to work on that. Would love to invite you to Parliament to do your work for the office. I'd be open to do a carving stream in the middle of the office while you argue, as long as I can go live. Could remember why I followed, clicked and saw the face, and remembered why. You're an awesome. Give much love from Pia. Is it Peru Slayer? Throws it back like a cat throwing up. Oh nah. We'll get our social team. Okay. Oh, Puerto Rico. Okay, so Brock's Carver at onlyfans.nerd. That's my email. I've been meaning to ask, what's your hair care routine? Just wash it Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Those white joggers are a bit fruity. I'd rather have be warm than cold. That email is brilliant. Yeah. Brock's Carver at onlyfans.nerd if you want to contact me. It isn't a secret. No, it's just, just wash your hair Monday, Wednesday, Friday, brother. Yeah. What do I use? Whatever's in the house, really. Love from the Northern Ireland. Hey, much love, brother. That was actually pretty funny, I'm gonna lie. That low-key made my day funny. The fact that bro has 29.5k followers is crazy work. Is this a Red Dead Redemption soundtrack? Correct, my friend. That was funny. Obviously, it's not the actual David Seymour, but you know, I was just role playing with it. Hello from Estonia, kia ora. I was dancing alone, watching people get it on with each other. What's your favorite game? It's always been WoW, my bro. Always will be. Oh, Cheebs! We're taking the hobbits to Isengard. My dear Bilbo, you have an edge today. Hey, what's up, Cheebs? Thank you very much for the raid. The Uruks turn northeast. They're taking the hobbits to Isengard. Thank you very much for the raid. I hope you had a wonderful stream today. Kia ora, everybody. My name's Brox. I am a traditional Maori woodcarver. And I won't lie, I was marathoning The Hobbit and the Lord of the Rings over the weekend. As we are just putting it out there. Thank you very, very much for the love. Fellow Twitch ambassador as well, chat. So please go through and show Cheebs some love as well. Whatever the elders do, don't look at made earlier. Love me a Lord of the Rings marathon. Yes, I feel like that's a must, eh? I've been going through a bit of a Gandalf phase at the moment, and I'm getting ready to read the entire Lord of the Rings series to the stream. I'm just waiting for the books to arrive. Thoughts on Star Wars? I only like Mandalorian and Boba Fett. Boba Fett more because I'm biased, because I'm Maori, just like Tim. Have you seen the game Phantom Blade Zero? It's kind of like Sekiro and Ninja. No, I've never heard of that game. Kia ora, everybody that's come through. Started watching Andor. Oh, really? Yeah, I hardly get to Nah, I won't lie. I haven't really been watching anything other than K-dramas. I've found my niche when it comes to K-dramas as well. The loved ones. Crash Landing on You is a pretty top tier K-drama, and I'm watching this other one. Is it Queen of something? Queen of Tears, I think? Hello from South Africa. Hey, much love, brother. Yeah, I've been been sending it. I know about David Seymour from Channel 5 with Andrew Gallagher. Oh, yeah, yeah. Okay, let's get back to it, eh? Yeah, what's the last Star Wars thing I watched? It was the, I think they animated a few, or they made some animation ones. Have to walk the dogs. Hey, doggos, have a good day. Have a good walk with the doggos. Love your work, bro. Thank you, brother Marco. Thank you very much, everyone that's come through from Cheeves' stream as well. I hope you enjoy your stay here. Thank you for all the follows as well. K-pop Demon Hunters. Bro, you already know. You already know. I like, what's her name? She's funny. What's her name? The one who uses the lance or the spear. She's funny. My, because one of my daughters is like her too. You know what? I know a ramble. How it's done, done, done. Hear our voices wavering. Watch me dance up to the line. Hear our voices are wavering till I begin the night. My favorite song, oh man, I like them all, eh? I won't lie. If I have to play all positions on the field, then I'm gonna say it. Fit check for my napalm era. Yeah, the songs are so catchy in that movie, man. Like my daughters, they're like, "Come watch this movie." I was like, "I don't want to watch that." And next thing you know, I'm getting invested. I'm keen on another one. A sequel? Has to be, eh? No, actually, my favorite song is the one those first Demon Hunters sing. That I love that song. That's one of the. It's got like ascending vibes of Doom. Okay, let's add in the next section of the design. I just had to clean up in here a little bit. Is this a Red Dead Redemption soundtrack? It is. I wish you all the best. You two, is a Kutaholic? Cheers, brother. Did you decide what you're doing? Yeah, we've cut out majority of it. I'm just adding the other section to it now. So what we're going to do is get our center here as well. Yeah, I wasn't sure, but I just said no. You know, we'll stick to what we've done. So no switch ups or changing the design or anything. Someone's wasting a lot of gas. Yeah, someone was wasting a lot of gas on the road. That makes life easier. Definitely does. Do you know who Kanye is? Bro, what kind of question is that? Come on now. Do I care about him? Not really. Oh, damn. Let's try and get this drawn up. It shouldn't take me too long. One go at least. What was that? This is my mum. I've been watching since the guy gave you 10k. What guy? No, it was $5. Dino Spanian. Yeah, he's like big on YouTube now, like big on YouTube. I watched this video of him when he unfortunately went up to Everest without any altitude training. Oh, that was rough. A very, you know, hardcore lesson, but thank goodness he's alright, eh? A hardcore lesson to learn. Not much you can do. How often do you sharpen your tools? Like once every month or every now and again, depending on the timber. I am due for a sharpening stream. Or sharpening in general. So I do need to do one ASAP. The music for IDR2 is ambient. Yeah, brother. I don't know who that is, Dom. Hey, cheer, brother. Match Infinity, did I say that right? What's up, Muhammad? How are you, brother? Oh. What's up, brother? Callum over on Twitch. What other Maori arts are there other than Whakairo and moko? There's raranga, which is like weaving. They utilize the fibers within harakeke or flax. That's how our people made our garments, or that's what they used back in the day in order to make our clothing that our ancestors used to wear, like the cloaks, the korowai, like even right down to the mats that we used in our wharenui. The majority of the time of year was the korowais that they used. I'm going to be cheeky here and flow that into the top. Into the top of this. So it makes life easier. Easy. That's that. Now we just fill in these 3 spots and we're good to go. I've had a reply, boys. Is that from lady or from work? Thank you for... Hey, what's up, Vibes? Thank you very much for the rose, brother. Just stumbled on the stream and this looks amazing. If you don't mind me asking, what are you making? Specifically, I wish to learn about this kind of thing. So what we're carving, kia ora. First of all, Archie, welcome into the YouTube stream, brother. Welcome, welcome. We're actually doing a commission for someone in the Twitch chat. So I'm multi-streaming right now. But this is a heimato, or a fish hook. Normally you'd find this in a pendant form. But the bro wanted it in a bigger scale. From the lady, wee, this guy. And this is what we've done so far. So this here. So this is a heimato, like the fish hook in general is called that. We will remove the center towards the end. But essentially this is what we've done so far. This design is called Taratara Akai. It's a design that's done by a lot of the tribes along the east coast. So you know, a tool of the water with the design of the sea. And this little design along the ridge here is just something I'm doing just so people know. Hey, Brox did that. The timber itself is called Totara, T-O-T-A-R-A. It's a native red pine, and it's probably one of the softest natives we have within the country as well. Now this art is called Whakairo, Maori wood carving. It's something that's been passed down through the generations of our people. It was not something that was easily learned within books. It was all done face to face pretty much. But we've been working on this for a wee while for someone from the Twitch chat. So in my Twitch channel, if you save up 1,000,000 channel points and you decide you want to redeem them 1,000,000 channel points, you get yourself a free carving, and this is one right here. Let's see what happens next. Ooh, this fella here got the up twos. Love the Red Dead music. Hey, thank you, brother. So we're just we've just been doing the opposite. I think I need a water. To the other side, and and designing the inside of the hook this time round. 10% of the way through. Thank you very much for all the subs on Twitch today as well, Fano. Working on our sub goal today. Thank you very much to those that joined on YouTube as well. Kick hasn't moved once, but thanks to those that are lurking there. And thank you very much for all the aroha on TikTok today too, Fano. Ooh, we got 10 subscribers on TikTok. Oi. Thank you, Nerni Lamsari. Did I say that right? Yeah, so Maori, the indigenous people of Aotearoa, as we call it, New Zealand, to some as well. So we are the indigenous people of the country. And we didn't have a written language. It was all passed down, face to face majority of the time. And through the many different art forms that we have. Our most famous one is probably the haka that you'll see done by the rugby team or international sports teams as well. But Whakairo was just one of the many ways of handing down our stories that we have. Is this the Witcher music? This is Red Dead Redemption 2. So we're just marking out these spots here now. Getting them all done. then we can carry on. So we're pretty much done majority of this today, which is good. Good progress. Oh, someone else just subscribed. Hey, thank you very much, Maverick John, for the sub to the channel, brother. Thank you. Hey, thank you very much, guys. Let me just run this real quick. Another one here. One. Two. Alrighty. More designing work to do, chat. Yo, Uncle, are you that one guy that donated and asked to give it back? Yeah, bro, that's me. How you doing? Kia ora, kia ora. How you doing? Alright, let me itch this in, eh? In a little cafe on the other side of the border, there was a little cafe and it made my heart water. Don't forget who's taking you home, and in whose arms you're gonna be. I forgot to do our arrows. Dwayne. I was like, something's missing here. Oh, darling, say the last dance for me. Baby, don't you know I love you so? I can feel it when we touch. I will never ever let you go. And guess what else I forgot? We forgot to put arrows on these. I was wondering why they looked a bit too clean. Oh my days. Oh well, we carry on. Sorry, low gains. I love it oh so much. We'll put them in these ones though, and the remainders, then the bro's gonna go, hey, what's going on here? Your man goldfished. Oh, man's goldfished. Oh, my bad, brother. I was wondering why we were getting through it a bit fast. But man's wasn't computing. Oh, welcome in, Bevan. Hey, just remember, if you are joining any of the streams today, and you have questions as well, don't be afraid to ask, eh? That's why I'm here. That's what I'm here for, guys, alright? If you got questions, just make sure you ask, alright? Just ask your questions. For your love, I would do anything just to see the smile upon your face. For your love, I would go anywhere. Hey, did you see there's a new feature on YouTube that you can change like the voice? It can be like in a few different languages. I saw someone mucking around with that feature last night, and I want to see if it's happened to any of my videos. Must be because of that voice stuff that YouTube's been going on about, eh? I want to see if it's actually real. Thank you very much, Xavier, for the 1 manawa. Yeah, I saw someone doing it on Instagram last night. I don't know if it's real or not. But he legit was playing his video in English and then he changed it and it went to French. Then German. Like it must be like a new YouTube feature. It's like on the edited videos. For the golden all of the world means nothing to possess. Yeah, I was watching the bro Uzgang was on his video. Whoop. Okay. There must be an app that app from Quake, I think that's his name, eh? Yo, Baz! Thank you very much for the... Oh my goodness. Yo, Joshy as well. Thank you very much for the... What was that? That gifty as well. Bass with the 210 roses. Holy guacamole, my bro. I almost swore, but I thought, you know, better not. Thank you very much for the love, brother. Thank you, my bro. Oh, damn, lucky. Happy now. Yep. Sorry, I need to change that. Hey, thank you for the 100k likes, chat. Thank you. Thank you very, very much, brothers or sisters as well. Let me change the music. I need to switch up. Down by the river, Tings. Say it. I'm yours, Karlek. I'm yours, Karlek. What's up, Liam? Cherry, brother. Do you rate Lauryn Hill? All the old songs, yes. I haven't really listened to any of the new stuff. Can I drop you a galaxy? It's up to you. I'm not going to tell you what to do with your money. Make sure you get yourself some food. I'm still fiending for some good ramen, chat. It's unfortunate that there's no good ramen spots here. The closest good ones are like a couple hours away. Yeah, I'm not going to tell you what to do with your money, brother. That's not me. I think you should make sure you have food. Thank you, brother Levi, for the flaming hearts. What games do you like? MMOs. What else? MMOs. Story-driven games as well. That's why I can't wait for Ghost of Yote, bro. It's gonna be good. Samurai Champloo mode, bro. All the way through. Japanese voice acting, of course. Just like we did with Ghost of Tsushima. Hello there, Harry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, 7. Okay, where are we? Hope you're having a good one, Rox, Cherubella, Ollie, or Sis, I'll say both just in case. Thank you very much, man. I hope you are too. Hold on, chat. I'm just gonna move this out a little bit. Oh, yeah. This green thing's chat, I gotta get it from a certain angle. In order to get a clean cut. What's up, side quest? A couple minutes till the morning's over, so W Morena. Looks like an ocarina. Oh, bro, I love that series, eh? So I was still curious to know how one would order a request or carving from you. So my commissions will be reopened. Probably... How many carvings do I have to do? I've got one for September to do. And we're going to be moving into educational series 2. Yeah, at the moment we're pretty full on, but I normally announce when I open up commissions again. Like I normally give a heads up like a month before. Just gonna go and check on my wife, guys, just to see how she's doing with the baby. What? What have I missed? Scrolls back. Yo, Shane. Hey, thank you for the galaxy, bro. Appreciate you, my bro. Yeah, sorry, that's just me. I won't tell people what to do with their money, my bro. Tori, thank you for the 16 car pies. Just making sure I haven't missed anything. Thank you very much, my bro, for the galaxy. Thank you, thank you. Sorry I missed it as I went to check the baby. Yo, what up, Low Gains? How are you, brother? Thank you, thank you, thank you, my bro. Watching you for ages now. Oh, cheers, bro. Like, to everyone that's been watching for a long period of time, just know that it's always appreciated. Always. Even if you're just watching. Sorry, my cat typed. My kid does that sometimes too. I swear my kid may have been a Katarina main back in the days, eh? Because that's all you have to do to get a pentakill on Katarina is just headbutt the friggin' keyboard. I saw that they released a new line of skins too, like random, but like bathhouse looking ones. I saw the volley bear one, bro, and I was like, bro, this is like some peak furry looking skin, bro. Thank you, brother Shane. Yo, Lewis, thank you for the reef. Kia ora, my bro. I won't lie though, I think that Timo monkey skin looks kind of cool just because it's a monkey. You play League? Who do you mean? I've only just started playing League again, unfortunately. Just ARAMs for now. I don't want to, you know, dive down that rabbit hole too much. Brom's my favourite support. You can probably tell why. He's always been one of my favourites. Brom, Orn, just because he's a craftsman. Volley Bear. ADCs. Oh, so I've only been playing it for like 2 days off stream. My cousin gifted me some random bunny rabbit wizard girl. I don't even know what she does. The new ADC looks cool. Who else have I been playing? One of my other supports that I enjoy is Rel, the Armored Girl. Rel is fun. Who else? Trundle. Sometimes I just like running it straight with Trundle when you get fed. Pike. I like Pike because he does the haka like Rengar. So they became insta must play them. Who else? I can't really think of anyone else off the cuff. I gotta see them, eh? Oh, Galio. Galio was the other one. But I've been slamming Galio since he was ugly. And I understand he's the victorious skin this year too, which is a shame because I'm not really good at the game. I had an account before, but I let my cousin play on it and they got it banned. Unfortunately, it was my first account I ever had. Gotta go back in 20. That sounds like the bro's going to take a shite. But yeah, my favourite team will always be SKT. Ever since their first Worlds win. With Impact. Was it him? Who else was in that team? Fuck, I can't even remember. I think Impact was one of them. Yeah, I've been an SKT stand for a while. Would not buy fake Azari skin though. That's too much. Oh yeah, Alawi was another character I played. Naga Koporos. Was she inspired by Maori? True, I didn't even know. Who else did I play? I can't even remember. Oh, Jin was another one. Jin was a fun, ADC. Oh, let me just get these corners checked. Where are we? This is beautiful work. Hey, thank you very much, White Team. Yo, you live on TikTok now? Nope, this is a AI generated VOD. Welcome. Live on TikTok, by the way, brother. It's just a joke. Hope you're doing well, man. There we go. Woo. What's up, later? I'm doing good, man. Doing really good. Yeah, won't be streaming for 4 hours today, unfortunately, chat. Got some commitments outside of the stream. How long does these projects take for you? Kind of depends, brother. They all have their own different timelines, eh? Yo, what up, Tree? Are you Samoan? No. I'm Polynesian, but I'm Maori. Okay. Sorry, just banging through this and then I'll come back to you. Oh yeah. What you been up to, Tree? Do you play D&D? No, I don't. I don't have enough time to. I don't have enough time in my day to play any D&D. I know there's a D&D game coming up. I forget the name of it off the top of my head. So I'll most likely try and play that. That's why I played BG3, just because I can't play tabletop. I'd love to, but yeah, outside of the stream, brother, my commitments are solely for my children. On my time, I should say. Which reminds me, I've got to take these little leagues swimming this week. I love that your kid confused you with someone else. So with this one, yeah. Tēnā koe roi ona. What's up, D? Thank you very much for the gifty. Bedril, thank you for the cat as well. Kia ora. Kia ora, kia ora. One moment. There you go. Where are we? Hello again there, Harry. I'm currently playing D&D this week. I have a new game tomorrow to start and I want to make a Maori themed character, but I unfortunately don't know enough about the culture. What kind of character do you want to make? Could start there, brother. Yeah, what kind of character? Aiden, thank you very much for the roses. Is that Maui's hook? So we are using the hook form. I want to make a Circle of Stars druid, but I don't know how to make it Maori themed. Okay, so if I think about a druid and him somewhat being like Maui, like a Maori, keep in mind one of the closest things to a druid we had was Maui. You could use references like that. He could shapeshift into different animals, eh? Like minimalist, like he didn't have a lot of armor on, but I mean it is the universe of D&D where you can make your character how you see fit. But I guess you'd really start there. if I'm thinking about our culture and kind of like the things our ancestors would use, definitely somewhat of a short hand club or like a staff as well. And then, you know, you can have all the adornments of like, you know, fur or anything like that, the fur cloaks and whatnot. Hey, what's up, brother Dice? Yo, Ben Reed, thank you for the 9 TikTok thingies. And brother Ben for the rose. Kia ora, my bro. But yeah, essentially I would say, you know, just kind of make the character itself look Maori. Pretty much, that's all, where you could start there. And when it comes to clothing, you know, if you look at some of the garments that we wear, a lot of the time it was korowai or cloaks as well. Hey, what's up, Avante? Thank you very much, Fletcher, for the cat. How's it going, Avante? Hope you're doing good, brother. And also keeping in mind that, you know, stars are very important to our people too. For example, you know, the navigation that our people did across the sea with the stars. But then again, you have matariki. Matariki is basically 7 stars that herald the Maori New Year as well. So other cultures know that as the 7 Sisters or Subaru as well, Pleiades. But to us, that star constellation is known as Matariki. So you can pretty much base it around, you know, the stars themselves and the base model of your character looking somewhat like Maori. Or say, for example, looking like Kupe from Civilization 6. Of calm demeanor. Or like very chill until, you know, things get a bit more physical, and then you could have that switch up in the character there. Hey, what's up? What's up, Bag? How you, brother? I'm doing good, my bro. Hey, what's up, Sanira? How you doing, bro? Cheer, bro. Been a while. What you're making? We are carving a heimato or fish hook. So we're just setting the design in for now. How much would I go about carving my taiaha? Patience, keep your center lines, make sure your processes are, you know, solid and you're comfortable with doing them. I'm gonna write down, but what D&D race, non-human race would suit a Maori themed character? Keep in mind, within our culture as well, we have these things called patupaerehe. They're like fairy folk that live in the country as well. They're not like Tinkerbell looking fairies, they're people of light skin, like the white or light blue. They reside around the country as well, so you could even use a patupaerehe if you wanted. They're borderline along the lines of an elf. Like pointy ears, long ears, hair, pale skin. Can we see? Sure. In terms of non-human race, I'm not really sure. Oh, shit. So this is what we've done so far. Yeah. The middle will get cut out once it's done. Right there. And then yeah, we're prepping the other side, so it's gonna be opposite. You see? Are you the guy that's shown in once again, like I've been saying for the last 2 months, what Mr. Beast video have you been watching? I'm just finishing up. Get a blanket and I'll hold it. Oh. There it is. See, we've been slamming that shit. We've been slamming that. Aloha noi. Hey, what's up? Hello from Rotorua. Hello from Rotorua as well. Whew. Oh. Are you back? Yes. Hi, Milky Bar. Hey. Hello. I'm gonna say hi. This is my Milky Bar, baby. Oh, you got the hiccups, man. Hi. Oh, what the matter? Oh. You wanna look around? No? Oh, you don't want to be in front of everyone. Fair. You want to turn around? You want to be nosy, eh? There you go. All good? My wife is just doing something, so this is what I do other than streaming, chat, parenting. Is it playing? She's 2 months. 2 months old. She is not a carver, she's a baby. All she does is eats a lot, cries a lot, craps a lot, sleeps a lot. So as you can tell why I call her my Milky Bar baby. Hey. Ebony and Ivory live together in perfect. Didn't know you had a kid. Believe it or not, Danny Phantom, this is my third. Mine and my wife's third. Is there a Maori name that can mean strength? Kaha? Mana? Maya? You're good? Yeah, I'm a girl dad. She looks bigger than my baby nephew. You're good? Should we see if Mum's ready now? Oh, there's Mum there. Yeah, bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. You think she'll be short or tall? She's gonna be tall because she was long when she was born. Longer than both her older siblings were. I'm hoping she's gonna be 6 foot, lean, and with the aura of making any male around her feel like a little spoon. Okay? That's what I hope she becomes. If that doesn't work, then Dad will make them be a little spoon because he's overprotective. Darcy, thank you very much for the rose. Yeah, my trait that I wear on my chest, chat, is that I'm overprotective. Loud and proud, pretty much, Fano. Loud and proud. I'm the same with my 3 girls. Yeah. I wait for the day, you know, when said partner joins the chat. My only thing that I'll probably say is use the fucking front door. That's all. If they use windows, then we're gonna have a problem. That's like with I mentioned this before. My niece, she introduced her boyfriend to me a long time ago, and it was around the time that I was on the chainsaw in the shed cutting up a log, and I got covered in dust with my big mask on and an apron, and I just heard her walk up and, "Uncle, come outside," and I walked out, this dust plume, holding the chainsaw, and that's when I saw the boyfriend. I was like, "Oh, okay, here we go." And then she goes, "Uncle, this is my boyfriend," and you can mention, if you can see, me covered in dust, taking the mask off and then looking straight at him. Like, "Oh boy, nice to meet you." I took my hand out to shake his hand and just went, "Arr!" No resistance. I was like, "Oh, okay." But yeah, they're still together to this day, so hey, good for them. They're all good. What sports do you watch? What sports do I watch these days? Just rugby and league, pretty much. That's about it. Yeah, a man with a firm handshake, I will acknowledge. I was like, "Oh, okay." But if I crush your hand, then whoops. SPW fight today. I don't really watch that. I haven't really been following that. Don't really care, to be honest. Irish culture is really awesome. Yeah. Who do you support in league? The Cowboys. And I watch the Warriors games from time to time, and the Wahine Warriors Wahine team too. You're playing season 3 of WoW, bro? I'm gonna try. Yeah, I'm trying to play PvP more this time around, because I never really jammed it that much. Who's your favorite artist? Music artist? Hey, what's up, Ash? Yeah, I definitely want to try and get that PvP Pally set, the horse one. Bro, it looks so good, eh? Who have I been listening to lately? Probably it's Don Tolliver. I'm just going off who I've been listening to recently. What's up, Arway? What's the time? Okay, 3 hours. Normally I try and go for for 4 hours, chat, but because I've got stuff to do with my wife, it is just gonna be 3 hours vibes today. Yeah, 3 hours vibes today, chat. Nothing crazy. But I want to say thank you very much for all the support today on the sub goal as well, on TikTok. Yeah, I'll do some stuff with the baby and my wife, and I've got to look over this contract for the sponsored stream that I'm doing. But the way we normally finish is with YouTube and TikTok first. So TikTok, you have a good day. Thank you very much for another banger stream. And if you like, feel free to follow all the socials. I'm only on Instagram. And just Instagram really is the one I genuinely use. Not so much Twitter. Yeah, Twitch, YouTube, Kick, and TikTok all the same. Brox. But yeah, YouTube and Kick, Twitch, and TikTok. You have a good day. Thank you very much for joining the stream, and I'll see you all tomorrow. Kakite. Chiche. Tips on growing your hair, don't cut it. That's as easy as it gets. Have a good day. Alright, Kakite YouTube. Kakite Kick.